Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll see how to use inner join in SQL Server. In SQL Server, joins are used to retrieve data from two or more related tables. In general, tables are related to each other using foreign key constraint. Okay, I have this employee table, ID, name, gender, salary, and then department ID. And then I have department table. Here I have ID and department name column. These two tables are related using foreign key constraint. Okay, if you want to know how to create foreign key relationship between two tables, please see my previous video. Okay, now I want the output like this: name, gender, salary, and then department name. See, first three columns from employee table, last department name column from department table. So we need to join these two tables using inner join. Okay, when I join these two tables using inner join, only matching rows will be retrieved. Non-matching rows will be eliminated. So inner join will give only matching rows. Okay, now let's see how to write inner join query. Here, select name, gender, salary, department name, whatever column you want. Then from table name, TBL employee, you can use keyword inner join or simple join. Inner join. Joining with which table? TBL department. How we can join these two tables? So we have common column in this employee table and then department table. So department ID is the common column. Okay. Before that we have to use on class on TBL employee dot department ID equal TBL department dot ID. Okay. Now let's execute this. See here, we have the output like this: name, gender, salary, and then department. See here, in employee table, totally we have 10 records. Last two records, Vijay and Ranjani, doesn't have the department ID. Okay, that's why we have only 8 records. As I told, inner join will give only matching rows. So non-matching rows will be eliminated. So ninth and the 10th ID column doesn't have department ID. That's not common with these two tables. That's why these two columns will be eliminated. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching this.